Before ride-hailing apps transformed transportation, booking a taxi was often frustrating. Passengers stood on busy roads waiting for cabs or auto rickshaws, especially during rush hours, rainy days, or late at night. Drivers frequently refused trips because of distance or traffic, and passengers had to negotiate fares without knowing the correct price. Drivers also struggled, spending hours searching for customers, wasting fuel, and losing valuable income. Transportation depended more on luck than efficiency. As cities grew larger and smartphones, GPS, cloud computing, and mobile internet became widely available, a new opportunity emerged. Instead of searching for a taxi, what if a taxi could find the passenger? That simple idea became the foundation of the modern ride-hailing industry. The first company to bring this idea to life was Uber. In 2009, Garrett Camp and Travis Kalanick struggled to find transportation during a snowy evening in Paris. They imagined an app that could connect passengers with nearby drivers instantly. Using smartphones, GPS, digital maps, and cloud technology, Uber allowed users to book rides with a single tap. The app automatically located drivers, estimated arrival times, calculated fares, and processed secure digital payments. Customers enjoyed convenience and transparency, while drivers received more ride requests and earned more efficiently. Uber rapidly expanded across the United States before becoming one of the world's largest ride-hailing platforms. Inspired by transportation problems in India, Bhavesh Agarwal and Ankit Bhatti founded Ola in 2010. After experiencing an unpleasant taxi journey, Bhavesh decided to build a reliable and technology-driven transportation platform. Ola was designed specifically for Indian commuters, offering auto rickshaws, bikes, economy cars, premium vehicles, rentals, and outstation travel. The platform supported digital payments and regional customer services, making it suitable for India's diverse market. As smartphone adoption increased, Ola expanded into hundreds of cities and became one of India's leading technology startups. In 2015, Rapido entered the market with a different approach. Founded by Aravind Senka, Pavan Gantapoli, and Rishikesh SR, Rapido focused on affordable bike taxis. Since motorcycles can navigate heavy traffic much faster than cars, Rapido became an ideal solution for short-distance travel. Through its mobile application, passengers could quickly connect with trained bike captains, reducing travel time while creating flexible earning opportunities for riders. Rapido successfully established itself as an important player in India's urban mobility sector. Although Uber, Ola, and Rapido offer different transportation options, their software development process is remarkably similar. Everything begins with market research to understand customer needs. Product managers define features, while software architects design scalable cloud systems capable of handling millions of ride requests every day. UI and UX designers create simple interfaces, front-end developers build Android and iOS applications, and back-end engineers develop APIs connecting mobile apps with cloud servers and databases. Database administrators manage customer information, ride history, payments, and driver records. Cloud engineers ensure high availability. Quality assurance teams thoroughly test every update, cybersecurity experts protect sensitive information, and artificial intelligence engineers improve route optimization, ride allocation, and demand prediction using millions of daily data points. When a customer opens the app, the software immediately detects the current location using GPS. After entering the destination, cloud servers calculate the fastest route while considering live traffic conditions. Pricing algorithms estimate the fare, and nearby drivers receive booking requests within seconds. Once a driver accepts, both customer and driver can track each other in real time. Navigation systems guide the journey from pickup to destination, while the platform continuously monitors the trip for safety and accuracy. At the end of the ride, payments are processed through cash, UPI, digital wallets, or bank cards, and both users rate each other to maintain service quality. The business model of Uber, Ola, and Rapido is based on a digital marketplace instead of owning vehicles. These companies connect independent drivers with passengers through their technology platforms. For every completed ride, the platform earns a commission while the remaining fare goes to the driver. This asset-light model allows rapid expansion without investing in large vehicle fleets. As more drivers join the platform, waiting times decrease and customer satisfaction improves. More customers then attract even more drivers, creating a powerful network effect. This continuous cycle of growth has made software, data, and technology the true driving forces behind these multi-billion-dollar transportation companies. The success of Uber, Ola, and Rapido depends on a business model that generates revenue from multiple sources instead of relying only on ride commissions. Every time a customer books a ride, the platform keeps a percentage of the fare while the remaining amount is paid to the driver. This commission is the primary source of income, but it is only one part of the business. These companies also earn revenue through surge pricing during periods of high demand, airport booking charges, cancellation fees, subscription plans for frequent users, corporate travel services, vehicle rentals, delivery services, in-app advertisements, and financial products designed for drivers such as insurance and vehicle loans. By offering multiple services on a single platform, they increase customer engagement while creating several streams of income. As these companies expanded, they invested heavily in technology, marketing, and customer acquisition. Building a ride-hailing platform requires thousands of software engineers, data scientists, designers, product managers, cybersecurity specialists, and cloud engineers working together. Every day, millions of ride requests are processed using cloud infrastructure spread across multiple data centers. Maintaining this infrastructure requires significant investment in servers, databases, cybersecurity systems, payment gateways, customer support, and research laboratories. Continuous software updates are also essential to improve performance, introduce new features, fix bugs, and strengthen security. These ongoing expenses make technology one of the largest operating costs for ride-hailing companies. Marketing is another major expense. To attract new customers, companies frequently offer discounts, cashback rewards, referral bonuses, and promotional coupons. Drivers also receive joining bonuses, performance incentives, and guaranteed earnings during expansion into new cities. Although these incentives help increase market share, they also reduce short-term profitability. In the early years, companies often focus on rapid growth rather than immediate profits because building a large customer base creates a stronger competitive advantage in the future. For many years, Uber reported significant financial losses despite generating billions of dollars in annual revenue. The company invested aggressively in global expansion, autonomous driving research, artificial intelligence, and new business segments such as food delivery and freight transportation. However, by improving operational efficiency and reducing unnecessary expenses, Uber has reported profitable periods in recent years while continuing to expand its services across many countries. Ola followed a similar growth strategy in India. The company invested heavily in expanding into new cities, supporting drivers with incentives, strengthening its technology platform, and entering new businesses, such as electric vehicles and financial services. These investments increased operating expenses, resulting in substantial losses during several financial years. Despite these challenges, Ola remains one of India's largest mobility companies and continues to diversify beyond ride-hailing. Rapido, although younger than both Uber and Ola, has experienced rapid growth by focusing primarily on affordable bike taxis and short-distance travel. Its low-cost transportation model attracted millions of users, especially in crowded metropolitan cities where motorcycles can navigate traffic much faster than cars. Like many fast-growing startups, Rapido has invested significantly in technology, expansion, driver acquisition, and customer incentives. While profitability remains a long-term objective, its strong user growth demonstrates the increasing demand for efficient urban mobility solutions. Technology continues to be the biggest competitive advantage for all three companies. Artificial intelligence predicts passenger demand based on weather conditions, local events, holidays, and historical travel patterns. Machine learning algorithms continuously improve estimated arrival times by analyzing millions of completed rides. Big data platforms process enormous amounts of information to identify customer preferences, optimize pricing strategies, and improve operational efficiency. GPS technology provides accurate navigation, while cloud computing ensures that millions of users can book rides simultaneously without system failures. Fraud detection systems monitor suspicious transactions, and advanced cybersecurity measures protect customer information against digital threats. Every improvement in technology makes the platform faster, safer, and more reliable. Despite their success, these companies continue to face significant challenges. Government regulations differ across countries and sometimes restrict bike taxis or impose licensing requirements. Driver protests regarding commissions and incentives occasionally affect operations. Rising fuel prices increase driver expenses, while intense competition forces companies to offer attractive prices to customers. Passenger safety, data privacy, and service quality remain top priorities because maintaining public trust is essential for long-term success. Companies must constantly innovate while balancing growth, profitability, and regulatory compliance. The future of ride-hailing is expected to be even more technology-driven. Electric vehicles are gradually replacing traditional petrol and diesel vehicles, reducing operating costs and environmental pollution. Artificial intelligence will continue improving demand prediction and route optimization. Autonomous vehicles may eventually reduce dependence on human drivers in selected markets. Smart cities will integrate ride-hailing platforms with public transportation, creating seamless travel experiences. Voice assistants may book rides automatically. Wearable devices could initiate transportation requests, and advanced mobility platforms may combine taxis, bikes, buses, and metro services into a single